Starter, not engaging. Causes and how to diagnose the issue. Internal combustion engines cannot start themselves. They require external energy. This starting method can be electrical, hydraulic, or pneumatic. Most vehicles employ electric motors, often known as starters. Because considerable friction and compression resistances must be overcome during the starting process, the DC series motor, with its strong initial torque, is ideal as a starter motor. If your car's starter is not engaging, you're likely searching for the root cause, which is why you're here. So let's learn the most common reason why your starter motor is not engaging. 1. Starter solenoid. On top of the starter is the starter solenoid. When you turn the key, the starter solenoid inside the starter motor presses a plunger, forcing the pinion toward the flywheel. Ground the solenoid to a bolt using a jumper wire. Start the engine and listen for noises from the solenoid. If the click is loud and solid, the solenoid functions properly. If you hear a weak click, verify the wiring between the solenoid and the starter. Electrical wires can become filthy, loose, and broken over time. 2. Battery voltage is low. When you have battery issues, the first thing you should check is your battery voltage. The battery powers the starting, and if it fails, the starter will not engage completely. Fully charge your car battery. You could even try to replace the automobile battery with another one that you know works. Next, inspect your battery terminals for corrosion. You will see a yellowish or greenish substance on the terminals as a result of this. If you observe any corrosion on the battery terminals, you should gently remove it by brushing it off. If you have found this video informative so far, kindly like and subscribe to this channel, and let's continue with the video. 3. Starter motor plunger or pinion. If your starter solenoid appears to be in good working order, there could be another issue inside the starter motor. The starter plunger or starter pinion are the parts that can make this happen. When you start your engine, the pinion gears engage the flywheel. These gears wear down over time and cause problems with the starter engaging. 4. Flywheel damage. The flywheel is a huge wheel that sits between the engine and the transmission. To start the engine, the starting pinion gears engage. Worn or damaged gears are what you should search for in a defective flywheel. 5. Problematic starter wiring. It is also possible that the starter receives enough electricity to generate a sound but not enough to turn the starter. This can occur if there is a faulty starter cable connecting the automobile battery to the starter, or if there is corrosion at any junction. To verify that there are no poor connections, clean all connections at both the starter and the battery. Faulty connections are frequently located by feeling the cable connection. A faulty connection will generate a lot of heat. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.